Caring staff at the Hear Bright of San Jose area offer the most advanced treatments and technology, such as rechargeable hearing aids and iPhone adaptive hearing technology to help their patients hear better.
You hear a lot of complaints out there about hearing aids. I think part of the problem is that they turn up the hearing aids too quickly without giving the brain a chance to acclimate. We have a unique step-by-step process of bringing back good hearing. Since every individual is different, the program varies person to person. We start with a low volume of sound and then adjust the gain little by little to let the brain adapt to each level. The hearing aids are custom programmed and calibrated in the patient's ear to account for the size and shape of the individual ear canal. This precision allows for the exact level of sound to reach the eardrum, which is necessary if you're going to hear accurately.
Let's learn how technology has changed and how treatment can improve your life.
Rechargeable hearing aids and iPhone-compatible hearing aids are really popular right now. The rechargeables are so easy to use, and the iPhone-compatible hearing aids make listening to phone calls and streaming music so enjoyable. The staff at Hear Bright are cross-trained, and the in-house repair lab is designed for convenience. After the hearing aid purchase, our relationship with the patient continues over the lifetime of the hearing aids. We have to remember that hearing loss affects not only the individual, but the person's loved ones as well, all of the people who want to communicate with that person.
You just don't realize when you're not hearing, you don't realize what you're missing. You know, I guess you really can't, but when you get it back, it changes everything. It's been awesome.
Hear Bright, an audiology corporation, helping you hear life and live life. Your excellent hearing is our expertise. Studies estimate nearly 60 to 80% of American adult populations have some form of gum disease, and only 3% get treatment. Today, Dr. Stanley Sun of South San Francisco Dental Care provides laser periodontal therapy, or LANAP, that requires no cutting or sewing, and you recover in days, not weeks. It is also the only FDA-approved laser treatment for gum disease that regenerates tissue.
It is important to treat gum disease because, in addition to losing your teeth, studies have shown the correlation between gum disease and various systemic illnesses such as heart disease, diabetes, respiratory disease, adverse pregnancy outcomes, as well as certain types of cancers.
We learn what makes LANAP different from traditional periodontal treatments.
So the steps of LANAP. I'm going with a fine paralace fiber, the width of 3 human hair, into a space between gum and teeth. The laser light energy selectively vaporizes only the diseased layer of gum and the specific bacteria or germs that actually cause gum disease. It also improves the access and makes the barnacle of calculus under the gum easier to remove. Tiny ultrasonic root cleaners are used to vibrate these deposits away and flush them out with antimicrobial rinse. Final laser pass will complete the disinfection of the pocket and cause the blood to become sticky, providing a seal around the teeth. Once the seal is formed, we have created a clean and closed environment for healing to begin. The benefit of LANAP: no cutting of gum and bone, thus no sewing needed. Less post-op discomfort, swelling, recession, and sensitivity. Less chance of infection. No lengthy recovery time. Most importantly, we are regenerating the lost structure rather than cutting them away.
I had the laser procedure by Dr. Sun, and it was painless, and I highly recommend it.
South San Francisco Dental Care, professional, passionate service and peace of mind with dental care that lasts. Many women are uncomfortable talking about the intimate problems they may be experiencing with their body and choose to simply live with the issues. But it's important to speak up and not suffer in silence. One very common problem is vaginal atrophy, which can cause vaginal dryness, burning, or itching. Up to now, hormone therapy has been the most widely used treatment for this condition. The caring team at OB/GYN specialists offer the Mona Lisa Touch, a non-invasive, hormone-free treatment that can help restore, rejuvenate, and reverse the effects of aging.
As we get older, the tissues in the vagina can become thinner. Women may notice a burning or an itching sensation on the skin of their vulva. My patients often tell me that intimacy can become less enjoyable, even painful. Many women leak urine when they cough, laugh, or exercise, and all of these changes can significantly affect their quality of life. Younger women who've undergone cancer treatment may experience these same symptoms, as may women with certain autoimmune skin conditions. Many women cannot or prefer not to use hormones to address these changes.
We learn why the Mona Lisa Touch is becoming a popular choice and how it works.
The Mona Lisa Touch is an FDA-approved laser procedure that helps restore vaginal health. Using an internal probe, the laser gently pulses energy along the vaginal canal. A numbing cream is applied to the external vulva, and this area is treated as well. The laser stimulates the body to produce collagen and increase blood supply, making the tissue essentially more youthful.
This treatment can help a woman's body restore itself to its normal function.
The procedure is done in the comfort of the office. It usually takes less than 5 minutes and requires no anesthesia. Most normal activities can be resumed immediately after treatment. We perform 3 treatments spaced 6 weeks apart. An annual maintenance treatment is then recommended.
OBGYN specialists, a professional, caring team guiding women to a healthy future.
Most of us are more active and energetic, resulting in longer, more productive lives. It makes sense that we want to look our best.
It's easy to see our confidence when we look great, but sometimes we might need a little help. Fortunately, treatments that can enhance or improve our face or body have become less invasive and more accepted in our culture. Dr. Jerome Potoskin and his staff offer customized, minimally invasive or non-invasive treatments to choose from, such as cool sculpting to help us achieve the look we desire.
We have a dermatologic surgery practice. We specialize in minimally invasive cosmetic procedures, typically things that require minimal time off from work and do not require general anesthesia. Some of the more popular treatments are injectables for wrinkles, laser resurfacing, and right now what's really hot is cool sculpting, which is non-invasive body contouring.
The good news is innovative non-invasive choices such as cool sculpting have changed the way we feel about seeking treatments.
Cool sculpting is the gold standard for non-invasive fat reduction. It's not for someone who needs to lose weight. It's not a replacement for a diet. It's for someone who's in good shape, who has localized areas of fat that despite diet and exercise, they cannot get rid of. That's where cool sculpting comes in. Cool sculpting works by freezing the fat. The fat cells are much more sensitive to cold temperature than normal skin. So we freeze the skin, we freeze the fat cells die, and the skin is left intact with no problems whatsoever. And we really compare cool sculpting to traditional liposuction. Many patients do not want surgery, they don't want to have time off from work, and that's where cool sculpting comes in. And frankly, one of the things I was surprised at is the results that we're getting with cool sculpting for many patients are comparable to the results we see with liposuction.
I had the cool sculpting done a year ago, February. I would recommend it to anyone.
Dr. Jerome Potoskin and his team of specialists can help you look and feel great through ultimate care and service combined with experience you can trust. Retirement is our time. We've worked hard all our lives looking forward to that moment. Things have changed over the years. We're living longer, more active lives. Retirement is your time to do the things that you want to do. You've earned it. Finding the retirement community that is right for you is important. You want a place with a caring team that inspires you to be who you are and live your life to the fullest. A place that gets to know you and your life story. Pacifica Senior Living does just that. Their communities are designed to fit the different needs, dreams, and goals of each resident.
Pacifica Senior Living Missionville is privately owned. Pacifica creates a lifestyle for independence, security, and a peace of mind for each of our residents and their family. We do love what we do, and we truly believe in providing the compassion, the personalized care services, and we want to ensure dignity and respect. Our dedicated professionals team supports each resident, goes above and beyond in all their ways. It helps our residents feel more at home.
I like living here because it's beautiful. It's lovely.
If you want a retirement community that sees you as an individual with a caring staff who values your personal needs, this senior living community is perfect for you.
So we offer shared rooms and private rooms here at our community, and we also establish customized care plans for each resident depending on their needs.
I love working at Pacifica Senior Living because I get to come home to residents that I get to know and love, and their family. So every day I come home to family.
I like the atmosphere. I like the gardens. I like how everybody works well together. And it's a very beautiful place.
Pacifica Senior Living, full-service retirement living where peace of mind is our priority. Celebrate life. It's a new day, and it's yours. We've given you a lot of information. We hope it's been interesting and will prove helpful. Again, if you missed any of the phone numbers, please call 1-800-984-2010. For all of us on the program, I'm Marty Caniglio. Thank you so much for watching, and please join us next time for the American Health Front.
Accommodations provided by Holiday Inns and Suites, Oakland Airport. Exploring Oakland has never been better when you stay in one of our spacious guest rooms or 21 suites with separate bedroom and living areas, all with king-sized beds, plush bedding, microwaves, refrigerators, and coffee makers. Enjoy complimentary wireless internet throughout the hotel. We're located just minutes from Oakland International Airport, downtown Oakland, and Jack London Square. The preceding program was sponsored by Medical Media Group and the participating physicians and healthcare organizations.